ya! He just rugby tackled me. You little monster. Good morning. What time is it? 6:59 in the AM. I'm ready. She's not. She's just woken up. I had to shout. Everyone else is awake. Fox has been awake for a little while. He's just playing his tablet in his bed. Mika's ready. But yeah, I just had to shout into her room to tell her to get her ass out of her bed. Right, we're going downstairs. I need some coffee. Not that coffee does anything because there's no fucking caffeine in it, but I need some coffee because I didn't go to bed till late. Yeah, you can have a vitamin, that's fine. Mr. Fox! Come here, Bubba. The hungry burp. I am. You're very close. Just back up a minute. Here he comes, my angel.
Here you go, Foxy.
He doesn't like him, does he? Come here, Sodge. Come here, Sodge. Who slept all night? Who slept all night?
Not me.
No, Mika didn't. Mika couldn't go to sleep last night. She came in my bedroom at like 8:20 and was like, I can't sleep. And I was like, tough tits, go to sleep. And you did eventually, didn't you? Yeah. But Foxy slept from like 7:15 until 6. So, winner, winner. Here he comes again. Oh, look at this. What's your name? What do I call you? What do I call you?
Sausage boy.
Sausage boy. What else do I call you?
Mama,
What else do I call you?
No.
What else do I...
Nothing.
You don't have duts unless you're asleep.
Oh.
Are you asleep, Mr. Fox?
Yeah.
You are not asleep.
I'll go to sleep.
Okay, you go to sleep there then.
No.
I got your booty. I got your booty. I got your booty. I got your booty.
Mama, I won't go to sleep.
You can't go to sleep.
Mama, what is it?
What?
Where am I dressed up?
Magicked.
It's over there.
Where's it gone?
It's over there.
Where's it gone?
It's over there, Fox.
It's behind you on the floor.
Yeah.
Keep going. Colder. Warmer. Warmer.
Burn your butt on your...
Get it out your mouth. I'm gonna get you. I see you just attack with a running headbutt. Mister, it's not bedtime. I need to get up. It's gone 7 o'clock. It's gone 7 o'clock. As you can see, he's feeling better. I dosed him up last night. Get your eyeballs on, you look weird. I dosed him up last night. And he's fine now, hopefully. So I need to go and do a food shop this morning because I forgot to order it yesterday. I put it all in my basket and then just forgot to fucking check out. So that was fun.
My tooth.
Oh, Aria's tooth is growing. Look, everybody, come here. Do you remember when we went to Mallorca and she lost this tooth at the airport, and then she lost this one in Mallorca in July last year? It is literally just poked through. So she's been a vampire for ages. But now it's growing.
I can go, thanks.
You're gonna grow fangs. Hey, it's 20 to 6. I've had the worst headache all day, and Fox is still whingy. They're all downstairs playing with Ben at the moment, so I'm hiding in my bedroom. I've just done a painting. I love it. Don't think anyone else. It's not what I'm selling. I'm keeping it. Yeah, I'm just on that. I've got some stuff. All my stuff from Shein came. Let me show you my stuff from Shein. Some of it's underwear, and I'm not showing you that. There's some stuff I'm sending back though. Like there was a T-shirt that said "My neck, my back, my anxiety attack," and it felt like a swimming costume material. It was horrid. And there was a Moon and Stars dress, again swimming costume material. And then what else was there? Oh, there was a black skirt that had like, it was like a mini skirt, similar to this kind of, sort of, I thought this is a jersey one, and this is what I like. I thought it was going to be like this. But it had like a line here of like mesh, and it was just really cheap and nasty, so that's gone back. I got this, like a, grey with the thingy. I got the camo skirt. And then I got some pants. I got a set here which looks really nice, just like sort of sports bra-y one. This was the first time I've been on it and I haven't shopped on the curve section. I've just done normal and I've gone for mediums, and they all fit really nicely. I really like these and they're really cute. And then I bought a fancy bra because I thought this was just so pretty. It's completely impractical. I don't think it's going to give me any support, but I thought it was so freaking pretty, like beautiful. I thought that was so gorgeous, like the colours on it, and it's really soft and feels lovely. And then I just got some pants, so nothing exciting. Yeah, I'm fucking covered in paint. I've already washed my hands twice and then I keep going to add more bits to it, but I need to stop touching it now. Yeah, I will talk to you tomorrow.